Hi guys, welcome back to our video.
So today, me and my mommy are gonna be showing this bag, luxurious, cute green bag.
Period.
Yes.
Hi guys, I don't know if I like this camera.
Just come on, mommy.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. My name's Paige. If you're new here, I make lifestyle hauls, mommy and me, and coach inspired videos. Guys, if you don't know, you do. By the title of this video, we are going to be unboxing the Brooklyn 39 in dark lime. Here is the bag. I have been waiting and saving her to just even show you this bag. I haven't worn her either. From Coach. And this is in the dark lime. This is made of natural grain leather. I have acquired quite a bit in my Coach collection, and she definitely was not gonna get away from me. So guys, if you don't know, I do work for Coach. The first color that I actually saw this bag in, I actually saw this bag in maple first. It came into the store, you know, it was new coming in, and I absolutely loved it. From the second I saw it, it was the 39. I went with dark lime, and then I was able to get it around holiday. This bag was even still hard for me to get. Even as a retail employee. There were only 19 left in the company, but here it is with nothing in the bag, just the dust bag. I'll even take that out for you guys. So now the bag is completely empty. I literally have been so busy and like in my own little abyss, in my own world. Christmas, preparation, dinners, getting through the New Year's, etc. I was like, okay, so once I get time to like sit down, really open it, you know, enjoy all my goodies, I'm definitely gonna film this bag. This is literally the hottest bag at Coach right now. Plus we have the Empire, which is also a huge and very, very popular and viral bag at Coach. But let me know in the comments, guys, what bag do you think is actually more hot right now? The Brooklyn bags or the Coach Empire bags? Like which one, and which one is your style, or which one do you have, or do you have them both? And just let me know. So right now for me, I definitely am into Brooklyn. I do want a Empire bag. I would take a 40. 40 is plenty enough space, and I do love the navy. Merlot is beautiful, yes, but baby, that navy, the Brooklyn bag retails for $4.95, and it comes in a assortment of different colors, and it also comes in suede. But let's talk about wear and longevity. This bag is made of natural grain leather. By nature, it is a very soft and supple bag, and it does have a beautifully structured and firm. It is sturdy enough that your shoulder strap here, which is one connecting piece of leather, does sit very nicely upon the shoulder when it rests. Because the leather is on the thinner side, in my opinion, I don't think super thin of the point where I think it would not hold my things or it would distort the bag, but it's a very well lined bag. Looks like this. It is very deep. It will hold plenty, I'm sure. It does have one interior pocket in the back, and then a magnetic closure. Comes with a very minimal heat stamp, just in a gold embossing. I did appreciate it right away on the Brooklyn, and then I slowly started to notice that it was coming in different styles, like little SLGs and little wallets and whatnot. And it is also the same imprint on your Empire bags, some small leather goods, and some other style bags as well. Now, it does not have any feet on the bottom of the bag, which I'm sure most of you guys know that. I would have appreciated feet, and I do not want anything or the bottom of the bag taking any more wear. And yeah, I want to accessorize my bag, of course. I do have a couple, well no, not a couple. I got about 3, 4, 5. I have 5 different chain strap options that we can put on my Brooklyn bag. And I also have a charm too. This one here is just like a dinky and gunmetal. I don't want to do that. I kind of would like to do this mixed metal. Ooh. Okay. I have the classic Coach C chain strap. It's a shoulder strap, but you know, a chain strap. I also have it in silver, but you know, my Brooklyn has gold hardware and I kind of want to at least keep some gold in it. And then I have my resin multi-chain strap as well. Let's put the cherry charms on the bag. And yes, these are cherry charms from Coach. We love them. I'm just gonna clip mine just like that. This is so cute. This is so freaking cute. Like, I couldn't wait to do this with you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I have, oh my gosh, it just feels so good. Let's do the mixed metal ones. It is a new year and it is still very cold and very winter-like. Very much so my season. I do want to keep the mix with gunmetal and the gold brass. I think it's adorable. I love it. I love that it's a trend. I love that it's our trend and that it's ours, and that you do have options to play and dress up your bag and make it super personalized to you. So this is what I have. I do like that, you know, she has a nice slouch, but I really don't want these charms and the chain weighing down the bag, so I might just wear one or the other. I don't think I'll wear it because I don't want it to really hurt and crease the bag. I think if you're able to get your hands on a Coach bag in general and or a Brooklyn bag, and you know, one that you love, whether if it's suede or all these new beautiful colors that'll soon be coming. This came out in the early mid-summers maybe. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know again down below, do you have the Brooklyn? Do you want the Empire? Do you want them both? Do you have them both? Please do not forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe if you already haven't. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.